Are you wasting time creating a survey, distributing it and analyzing the data? Let us admit the two most essential points of conducting a survey. 1. A survey of customers for feedback is critical to businesses. 2. There is no better tool for quick data analysis than a spreadsheet, and we count Google Sheets as the #1 online tool for that. Because Google Sheet has built-in quick analysis features that can help you get an overview of your data and some valuable insights. So, we created an online survey tool that lets you do everything. Create the survey in Google Sheet just by filling in some questions and clicking a button. Distribute the survey link by mail or paste the embed code on your website. Get the data in the Google Sheet and analyze it the way you want. Isn't it cool?